What's up, guys? Welcome back to Peaky Garage. I am going to be doing a product review. Since I haven't done one of these in quite some time, I decided to pick up some different interior and interior detailer and, well, interior cleaner and leather care products. I'll be doing a separate review for each product, but first I'm going to start with the interior cleaner. This is supposed to be safe on everything in your interior that's vinyl, plastic, leather, rubber, metal, gauges, dashboards, everything. So you can put across your LCD screens, your windows, and it's supposed to not streak and leave a fine, fresh finish, and it's supposed to have a good scent. So first I'm gonna start by getting the dust and debris off the seats. I have a nice handy dandy vacuum for that. I did a review on this guy. You can buy it off Amazon. It's like $100. I'll put the link in the description. Put it for all those products as well. You just want to clean your seats, make sure all the dust and everything is out of them. And then we are going to take the interior cleaner. Just give it some sprays. There's so many cleaners now that I just look for something that smells good and is not that expensive. This smells like, I would say, house cleaning products so far. So not the best smelling, but it is a fresh scent. Gonna wipe off the surface. So they do say that it's good on just step back a little bit. Nice. They do say that this product is good on windows and doesn't leave streaks. I have a dog and he puts his nose on the windows, so let's test that out. It's safe on everything, so literally just gonna spray everything down. And this is the first step into cleaning the interior. Next, I'm going to use the leather products, but I'm going to test C to see first. There's no streaks. I do see streaking. What about you, Madison? Do you see streaks?
I see a little bit from here, yeah.
You might have to try. But yeah, so this is leather, well, fake leather, plastic, windows. So this will be the same as the LCD screen, pretty much. Go initial rub, and then I'll grab another rag, and this just takes off any excess. Oh, looks like it dried actually quite nice. Yeah, I would say it's pretty good. So that is the 303 all surface interior cleaner. The scent, I would say, is all right. It's not the best smelling stuff, but it's super cheap, so I would say check it out. If you're interested in getting a different interior cleaner, this would surely clean the surfaces of the interior. I can use it on the dash, door panels, windows, and in your LCD screens. So next, I'm going to make another video of the leather cleaner from 303, which you guys will see. This can go on all your leather. And then I will do also a review of the Hydro Leather ceramic leather protectant and coating. Okay. Another really cool thing about the 303 interior cleaner is it's actually after I wash my whole car, the scent doesn't last. So if you like something that's not strong and going to give you a headache, this scent only lasted for a mere couple minutes, and now it's fully out of the car. Here's another good example of the windows. You can see the dog's snoot boops, as we call it. So just right there. Once again, we'll just spray it on there, spray it on everything. What I really like is, now that I've used it throughout the first half of the car, is it doesn't leave a slick residue. So it's just a fresh scent, and you're just left with a clean surface, which is really nice. And the fact that it's as cheap as it is also a really nice bonus as well. So like I said, if you guys are interested or looking at it on Amazon, I would go ahead and say for the price that it is and how well it works, I would pick it up and give it a try. Okay, that's good.